What's up, you guys? So I finally got to doing this video thingy-majiggy-majig. This is my vanity mirror that I made. A lot of you guys saw it on my Snap, my Instagram story, and a lot of you guys asked me how I did it. And so this is what this video is here for. To actually, the process of it, it's actually really simple. But the mirror that I use is called the hovet or something like that. I don't know how to say it. It's from IKEA. It's freaking huge, and it was like 140 or 50 bucks, which, you know, isn't bad for a really nice big mirror. For the lights, I just use these ones. They're Patriot lighting. They're LED bright white light, 12 volt, 6.5 feet flexible tape light. You just need one of these and it fills up the whole mirror except for the top or bottom. I didn't put lights on the bottom of my mirror just because I didn't really need it there. This was only, I think, either 15 or 20 bucks, just about 200 bucks. So yeah, it's super simple. And if you want to know how I did it, then keep on watching. As you can see here, I didn't put it on the bottom because I didn't really need. When you first get it, it comes in a little package, and then you just gotta connect everything. And this is the little switch. You can see here these thingamajiggies. I don't know what they're called, but you can cut them to fit. Like, for example, where's it? Okay. So here, as you can see with these connectors, you just line it up. You don't need to cut it because it fits all the way around. I only cut it because I was gonna start on the bottom here. Then I realized I didn't need it on the bottom. Top corners here, I didn't have this. So see, I just folded this inside here like that, and it still sticks really good. You want to make sure when you put it on, you press every single part so it sticks. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.